The artist Huang Wenya studio is located in the Caochangdi Art District. It's on the third floor of an apartment building on the right. Huang Wenya grew up just like most contemporary artists, with his father's passion for art having a significant influence on him. Huang graduated from the School of Experimental Art at CAFA in 2015. Huang described that these years after graduation as a period when he started to become more mature. He has been engaged in photography and video art. There are plenty of photographs stuck in his studio. At the moment, along with making art, he also has a part-time job teaching the art basis course in a university. Huang has told us that he has been thinking of selling his artworks so as to support himself as a freelance artist. In the past decade, the artist has done a series of performance photographs. The Smoke series is one of his most novel works, which was created between 2011 and 2012. These photos involve a variety of scenes in which the artist holds a smoking torch in different locations. The torch shown in the image was made by the artist himself, with a baseball bat and an iron lunchbox. The heavy smoke rises from the torch and penetrates various scenes and spaces. Sometimes it's a lake within remote mountains. Sometimes it's within a city made of steel concrete structures. The artist attempts to express how he feels towards these various things. This is Seeing is Not Believing, Huang Wenya's video installation work in 2015. The stacked braille books are in response to the stories presented in the video. This artwork has led to him becoming more popular. We can see that on the table, Huang's sketches and notes are neatly laid out. This is the way he tries to show his students how to do a detailed drawing. Huang attended many artist residency programs. In some way, he's an intellectually active and ambitious artist. Next time, we'll take you to the artist Wu Yungjun's studio. Please stay tuned.